Well, she must not be able to hear me because she's not, either that or she's completely ignoring me because she's not paying attention. Oh, look, she looked. Did you want to come and say hello? I'm recording a video.
About what?
About the Instant Pot.
So what did I do?
None at all. But people love to see your smiling face. Hi there, Lori here. In case you're new and you don't know who I am, my name is Lori and I live on Vancouver in a little mobile home. Well, it's not little, I guess. In an old person's mobile home park with my with my old mother and my darling husband. I knew that would get her up and out here. Uh-oh, what is she gonna say now?
You're absolutely right. It's your old
My
mother.
old mother. She's almost 80. We need to have an online birthday party for her. For her 80th birthday. We need to do a live.
No.
Yes!
I don't want a birthday party.
Well, it won't be a birthday party. It'll just be you, me, and Dave.
Oh, okay.
And YouTube.
and the world.
Our friends, but they won't be near enough that we can touch them.
I was just online looking for a new crossbody bag
Okay.
that might be a little lighter than my black one. And I found one. It's only $1,225.
Okay, well, after you pay for your cat surgery, you might just have enough left over from your windfall.
I don't think I could make myself do it.
No, I don't think so either. No,
Oh well.
would not be good.
So what you making?
I am making chicken enchilada casserole in the Instant Pot. And this is going to be on the Instant Pot collaboration that Michelle, Banana Lady,
I bet she likes that.
Michelle, she does. She said she was going to get a t-shirt, Banana Lady. I should make her one. I should make her one and send it to her. That's what I'll do.
Find out what size she is.
Yeah, for sure. I'll ask her. Anyway, Michelle, you can leave that down in the comments. You can tell me what size you are and I'll make you a Banana Lady t-shirt. And send it to you.
She does a good job on making special t-shirts.
I do. I am a graphic designer, so I can do that stuff. Anyway, so the Instant Pot Challenge was started by Michelle over on Real Life with Michelle and Rob. And today I'm going to cook in the Instant Pot. And I'm almost going to follow a recipe.
Yay!
Almost. So, hi and welcome and thanks for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm going to flip on my headgear and we'll get started. Here we go. So, of course, I'm starting from frozen. So, I have to modify things a little bit because this calls for just boneless, skinless chicken. And I have frozen boneless, skinless chicken. So, it's going in there and I'm going to throw... I've got my 2 cups of chicken broth, which is about half of one of these, because these, when they're brand new, are 4 cups. So I'll put about half of it in there. And then it calls for a 28-ounce can of red enchilada sauce, and what I have is this. I bet you can see that there, can't you? Ta-da! Enchilada sauce. So, and the recipe, I am actually kind of following a recipe. It's just that I don't have everything in the recipe, so I'm having to modify a little bit. And I think that actually it's important to know and to learn how to modify when you're cooking because, you're not always going to have everything that's in a recipe. So you need to know what's going to taste good in it, what can be maybe replaced with something else. And so I'll let you know when I'm making changes. And then the cookbook that I'm using here is the Instant Pot Bible, which I love it. It's got 350 recipes and strategies and all that, and one of them being this chicken enchilada casserole. So I've got my broth in there, I've got my chicken in there, and I'm going to go. I should just be able to tear this. Sometimes I can't. Nope, see, look, it won't. I don't know why you even bother. Seriously. So these are not 28 ounces for sure. I'm not even sure how big they are. But I'm just going to use the two of them because that's all the enchilada sauce that I made. So that's something else I should learn how to make, because we actually use a fair bit of this canned enchilada sauce. I'm just going to pour it right over my chicken. I guess I should probably move that into the center though. La da da da. Oop. Right there, and let's put this over that. Yeah, so let's see, how much sodium does it have? 20% in one serving, which is only a quarter cup. And I know I'm going to be eating more than a quarter cup of this, so I bet you I could make it with a lot less salt. So, and that's all I'm putting in for the first step. The recipe calls for putting everything in and just cooking it for 7 minutes. And I'm not doing that because I'm starting from frozen. So I am just going to leave, though, those in there. And let's get this going on the right way. And I'm going to make sure that this is on closed. And I'm going to hit pressure cook. I don't think I need 30 minutes. I'm going to go down to 20 because really I just want to cook it a bit and break it apart. So, because I'm going to cook it for another 7 to 10 minutes to cook my pasta and everything else. So it's on, it's going to start building up pressure, and I'm going to move on to another task. So, all right, I'll see you in a little while. So this is finished, and I'm going to come around here, and I'm going to, so this is the spot. This little thing on the top here is where everything's going to come shooting out. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes, so I don't know how much will come out, but I'm sure there'll be some. But anyway, I'm just going to flip that over and let it steam. Should have twisted it a little bit more, but I'm not going to turn it while it's steaming. So anyway, we'll be back when it's done. This has now finished steaming, and my button has dropped. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oops. Oh, what do we do here? Oh, I went the wrong way. Did it right the first time. Okay, I'm just going to set that there for now. Grab a big spoon. Break apart my chicken. Should be almost cooked now. So these are thighs. And then here's a little bit where I am going to deviate from the recipe. The recipe calls for pink beans, which I don't have. So I'm just using some black beans. And then it calls for a large green bell pepper, which I also don't have. However, what I do have are some of these mixed bell peppers, and these are freeze-dried. So I actually keep these in my cupboard because I find that they're super happy. I keep them in the cupboard because they're super helpful, especially in the dead of winter when I don't have anything fresh and none of my peppers are ready yet. So anyway, I'm going to put, it's about 1/4 cup-ish, and that is approximately equal to 1 pepper. And then I'm going to throw in a can of corn and 8 ounces of, it calls for ziti, and I don't have any ziti, but I do have rotini, so I'm using it. Putting in an onion, and then we're going to put in a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of, I hate those things, of smoked paprika. I think the last time I used this was for potato salad. Anyway, let's give that a good stir. And so they say, the recipe says, or the other recipes I looked up that were similar to this, said that it's like a lasagna without the fuss. So that is what we're hoping for. Let me get my lid. Up. And I'm going to flip that back to sealing, and I'm going to pressure cook again, but this time I am going to only do it for 7 minutes, and I'm going to turn off the keep warm. So there you have it. I'll be back in just a few minutes. So I let this just do a natural release, and my button has dropped. I have no more pressure in here, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. As you can hear, I have turned it off completely. Now let's give this a stir. And you know what? I was gonna throw something in there to thicken it up. I don't think I need to. I think that looks just gorgeous. Are you getting all steamed up? Anyway, let's call the fam jam and have them come and give it a shot, and then we'll get their reactions. Well, unfortunately, everybody ate it so quickly that I didn't have time to get any reactions from anyone, but it was a big hit, and yeah, we'll probably make that again. Hashtag Let's Instant Pot is a playlist by Michelle over at Real Life with Michelle and Rob. And I will leave their link down in the description, and you really should go and check them out because she is a hoot and a half. And although Rob has been working way too much lately, when he comes in, he adds a little spark of brevity as well. So anyway, hashtag Let's Instant Pot. Get involved. It's a free open collaboration. So take care of yourself. Have a fantastic day. Bye now.